Gusto mo ba ng investment na habang nagbabakasyon ka ay kumikita ka? If yes, panoorin mo ang video na to. Ako pala si Vicky Gonzalez of Realty One Group Mart Pro, helping you to build your future portfolio. Karamihan sa real estate investment ngayon ay sakit sa ulo sa maintenance. Lalo na, mahirap i-resale ito. Maraming investors ngayon ay stuck sa mga properties na hindi naman ginagamit. With Landco One Key Multiple Doors concept, your investment opens up to a network of world-class. From the shores of Calatagan and Laia to the heights of Baguio, and soon in Siargao and Palawan, you get high appreciation vertical projects na managed by the best in the industry. Don't just buy a condo. Buy a gateway to the Philippines' top destinations. So, if you're looking for a legacy investment, tara, usap tayo.